and welcome to another edition of the Julie Goldman Lesbian Interview Special. We're very excited as the applause has dwindled and the people have left. So we are here at Dinosaur Club Skirts.
Club Skirts 08.
Club Skirts 08. Spring break for lesbians.
Woo!
Boobs! So we're here at the Doral Hotel, and we're talking to very exciting people, and by we, I mean me and Kate McKinnon, the most world specialist co-host.
I thought you wouldn't say anything.
I love
and
you.
did.
Thank you again for tuning in with our very special guest today, a woman you've heard probably, but maybe you haven't seen. And she's a little lady known as DJ Kathy Valenti. DJ Kathy Valenti is here. DJ Kathy Valenti. Jewish?
Italian.
Interesting. Very similar. I thought Valenti sounds like Goldman. So let's start from the beginning. My mother told me she wished I was anorexic for a week. How'd you get into DJing?
Well, when I was younger, my teens, you know, the coolest thing was, of course, to try and sneak into the clubs, you know. So I was one of those teeny boppers, and we used to go. It was this great place, no longer there anymore. It's called The Edge. It was in Kansas City, Missouri. Small little place.
Is that where you're from, Kansas City, Missouri?
Yes, but that was our big club. I had a friend who was friends with the DJ. So we used to go in and go up and watch him get ready, and that's how I kind of learned, starting at the old Edge.
So then how'd you get from the Edge, Dollar Night, into nursing?
Well,
Did it help you get were you like, blood and rain?
yeah, always, you know, the DJ thing, loved it, but, you know, Mom was like, you're going to go to college.
Oh, right, you need something
You
to
need
make
something to
money
do,
with.
and I'm like, I always was thinking about nursing. So I did nursing.
So you became a nurse? So you're like a nurse and then like an undercover DJ.
Undercover.
Like a superhero DJ, Kathy.
Yes, undercover.
You're like a nurse during the day and then you pop mad beats at night.
That's right. That's
So
right.
you pop them out of the beds and you're like, dance, you sack of shit. Yeah. Oh, I'm so sick. Sometimes I strip naked at night, look in the mirror and cry. Who's the best audience to DJ for?
The best audience to DJ for?
You know, gay men, lesbians, straight people, all whatever. Who's, you know what I mean? You're at the thing, you're making a part. Because that's the other thing too, right? You're not just a remixer of 90s dance music. You're creating a party.
Yes.
Where it makes or breaks the night.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
I mean,
very much so.
If there's no one on that dance floor,
You're in
you
trouble.
better go back to the hospital and stick an IV in someone because there's not going to run.
Yes, and those nights, everybody has some nights like that where it's just a tough crowd. I love to play for the girls. The girls are always challenging because girls love pretty much everything. You've got to be the jack of all trades when you play for the women.
Christian contemporary music?
That one you probably shouldn't throw out until about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
You're trying to get them
When
to go
they're real
home.
drunk.
It's like either, you know, they're going to close the doors. Let's see, we got to
And
clear
then-
this room.
On high.
And you'll still get takers. There'll still be people on the floor.
Right.
There will be.
You probably would be. Right. Do you have a regular place or website or someplace that people can find you?
Yes, right now you know, MySpace seems to be the greatest thing because everybody's on it.
Right.
So it's myspace.com/DJKathyV. And you can read about me on thedyna.com.
All right, Dinah.com and DJ Kathy V. Now we're going to, it's now time, and you saw it before.
Oh no, I'm ready.
It's our time. We are doing what we're doing with all of our lesbians, which is our lesbian interview wrap-up quick-fire questionnaire.
I'm ready.
All right. And then we have a bonus question, which Kate's going to ask you. Okay? You have your bonus question ready? Okay.
I do.
All right,
Thank
DJ
you.
Kathy Valenti. Since we're going to ask all the girls the L word's here, what L word girl are you?
Oh, I think, who am I a little bit? No, I'm not Max.
Jenny.
Max? No, I'm not Jenny either.
Helena.
You, who are you?
I think I'm a little bit of Alice, Alice is a real go-getter.
Okay.
Well, I'm thinking of Alice.
Yeah, you're going to go with Alice.
A little bit of Alice.
I like
Okay.
that.
Interesting. Who
I
are
like
you?
that a lot.
Who are you?
What?
Who
I'm
are
not
you?
on the show.
I'm not.
I'm the P.
Clearly on the show. Nor will I ever can't be because I look like a man. So, what do you call your vagina?
Well, I guess fun.
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 Interesting.
Fun.
Your girlfriend was here earlier, and hers was called Happy.
She was happy, yeah.
So you are a happy, fun couple.
Well, yes, we are.
What would you call my vagina?
You had a name for yours.
Do you remember
said
what
it.
it is? Are you a good listener?
I'm a good listener.
Let's see if this relationship will work.
And, you know, you'd have to forgive me
don't
because
remember.
you'd have to.
You know
Sometimes
what?
I have to be reintroduced
No,
twice.
that's fine.
I do.
It's Hogwarts.
That's it.
You're in the bed with the hottest woman you've ever seen in your life. What would be the one thing that they would have to do in order for you to get out the bed? Boom.
Well, my girlfriend answered by saying that she had to go to the restroom.
Yes.
Well, usually I'm the person that forgets to put the fresh toilet paper roll on, so what's probably going to happen is she's going to call me from the restroom, and I'm going to have to go and get some
call you
toilet.
from the restroom?
Usually it's a
Does
loud
she
scream.
literally call you from the... I just got out of bed with your happy bed. And there's no toilet paper.
It's usually like, you did it again. You didn't fill the toilet paper roll. And then I'm like, ah.
But what would get you out the bed? Oh, that you would have to fill the
I
toilet
have to get
paper?
up.
Is she an invalid without any arms? She can't put toilet paper on for herself?
You know, it's because I didn't fill it. It's the whole you didn't fill it, so I have to get up and fill it. And it's always my fault. Pretty much. I always forget. Constantly.
You guys need to see a counselor. All right, now let's get our bonus question in. You're in the ER. Something goes terribly wrong. What's your favorite soup?
My favorite soup. I love matzo ball soup.
Oh,
I
good
really
answer.
do.
That's a good answer.
I really do.
I knew there was a Jew in you.
Had never had it till I came to LA. Love it. Addicted.
Wow. Interesting.
I know.
It's the Italian and the Jew thing. We're connected in some way.
So.
And with that, we want to thank DJ Kathy Valenti for being with us today. Everyone, please, come on, lovely. My God, you're a delight. You're a delight. Oh. And Kate McKinnon, again, thank you for being the most spectacular co-host
Julie
on the internet.
Goldman.
And
Thank you,
for
Club Skirts 08.
Club Skirts 08. Thank you so much. And our crew, the men, and a logo, of course, thank you so much. And tune in again for more Lesbian interviews. And remember, this has been a very important moment in your life. Thank you very much.